Hey Lab Rats, it's Becky with Lab Rat Academy, and I am hanging out in my vegetable garden, and I love summer in my vegetable garden because here where I live in Seaside, the weather is actually much cooler all year round, and so it's in the summer that I actually get my fruit and my vegetables coming out. And I just wanted to show you some of the cool stuff that's happening, because for a vegetable to come out in my garden, I have to have the blossoms, and the blossoms have to be fertilized. And once they're fertilized, the DNA from the pollen gets transferred to the ovule inside of the ovary of the flower, and that creates what we call the fruit. So it's super exciting. So take a look at what I have in my garden. So you can see right here, I have a tomato flower, and coming out of those tomato flowers are obviously these right here. Once these tomato flowers, these blossoms get fertilized. And here you can see my cilantro plants have blossomed, and the resulting fruit of that, these will become the seeds that I'll plant for the next season. Isn't that so cool? And over here, I have some jalapeno blossoms. And when those get fertilized, they turn into jalapenos. And over here, I have the blossoms of my snap peas. And you can see I have a snap pea already growing. Oh my goodness. And over here is my zucchini plant. If you look inside, you can see I have the already fertilized flower. It's already done. Tomorrow I was going to start making a zucchini, but you can see, oh, baby zucchinis all inside of there. Super exciting. So you can see the blossom where it was right here. And this was the ovary. Inside of that is where all the seeds are, and it's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. Awesome. And right here I have some apple blossoms, and you can see right here are some apples, and those won't be ready until the fall. And check this out, I have tons of cherry blossoms right here, and right underneath these leaves I have some cherries coming out right there. And this lemon blossom right here will turn into that pink lemon right there. Isn't that so fun? So amazing. God is so creative to be able to make that plant cycle, to go from a seed to a plant to a blossom to a fruit, back to a seed, and then just does that whole cycle all over again. Science is so cool, and I love to share that with you guys. If you guys like this, don't forget to do thumbs up, share, comment, share the love. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.